Today I am doing a very simple and a very interesting watercolor landscape for beginners. I've used a boahung watercolor paper for my painting. With an HB pencil, first draw a sketch or an outline, the painting you want to do, like a couple of houses, the trees, and show where your horizon line is going to be. You should wet the paper and leave it for a few minutes before starting to paint. I painted the sky using cobalt blue and a combination of ultramarine blue and lamp black to show some grey blue shades in the sky. I've used the same mixture to show the reflection of the sky in the water, and I've also used shades of green and black to show the reflection of the trees in the water. For the distant trees, you can either use shades of blue or light purple, which I'm using what you call blue combined with a little bit of black to give a bluish shade to the distant trees. Now I'm drawing a couple of houses using raw sienna, burnt umber and red oxide, combination of those colors, and the trees using yellow, green and a little bit of black and burnt umber. Now you can see a very good combination of colors showing the foliage at the back of the houses. Now I'm doing the trees at the front. Now I'm using red oxide to show the piece of the land in front of the trees. Now I'm putting in some shadows and the doors and the windows of the house. Now I'm using my rigger to show some tree stems and branches. You should use your rigger from below upwards to give a very realistic appearance of branches and stems. Now I'm using my cobalt blue to show the shadows of the distant trees, as well as some shadows of the sky, the water. I'm also showing shadows of those green trees in the background using combination of green and black color. And I'm leaving a few white spaces. As you can see, there are white spaces in the sky. The sky is clear today. I hope you have liked my watercolor painting, and if you have liked my painting, then please like and subscribe to my channel and share this video with other friends. And if you wish to watch some of my other videos, you can watch my playlist or some other videos at the end, showing at the end.